Hello each and everyone. I DN sir. Welcome to DNS English channel. Today I am going to interpret the impeccable and correct pronunciation of 20 specific words which are appreciated and approved by IPA International Phonetic Association. Let us start now. The correct sound is asthma. Asthma नहीं, asthma. दमे की बीमारी. The next word breakfast. Correct pronunciation is breakfast. Breakfast नहीं. The third word forehead. Correct sound forehead. Forehead मत पढ़ना. Next forget. Forget भूल जाना. Fifth word forgive. क्षमा करना. Forgive. Sixth word opportunity. Opportunity. Opportunity नहीं. Seventh word psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. Eighth word coward. Coward pronunciation. Ninth word hiccup. Hiccup नहीं, hiccup. The 10th word राजवरी. raspberry नहीं, राजवरी. The 11th word potato. Potato मत पढ़ना भैया. Potato. The 12th word tomato. Tomato मत पढ़ना. Tomato. The 13th word is tomb. Tomb नहीं. The 14th word Russia. बहुत लोग रसिया पढ़ते हैं जो गलत है. Russia. The 15th word is parliament. Parliament नहीं, parliament. Now the 16th word is handkerchief. Handkerchief. Handkerchief नहीं. The 17th word is shepherd. Shepherd नहीं, shepherd. The 18th word is elephant. Elephant नहीं, elephant. The 19th word is buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo नहीं. And the final 20th word is pizza. Pizza नहीं, pizza. Like, subscribe and share DNS English 101.